Hi everyone, this is our new video. Today it is 7 April 2022. Today's topic is Java and Python's difference. First we will discuss the Javas. The Java is object-oriented programming language, which general purpose of the programming language is not entirely object-oriented as its contain primitive types. The general purpose of programming language, the Java codes are platform independent, meaning Java codes can be run on any platform in which supporting the Java. There is no need to recompilation of Java. The Java has become one of the most used language to client server application. The Java code are to the which runs of the Java virtuals in a computer architecture. The Java virtual machine, JVM's Java virtual machine. The Java was the initialized developed by the James Gosling in years 1995 and his friend. It's a version of the Java in 11 and Java's 12. Features of the Java. First feature first features Java is object-oriented programming language which makes a written code easy. Memory allocation take place in runtime. That is why the Java program can be compiled even without the main function. It platform independence, which one of the most significant features of Java. The Java codes are not compiled directly; they are first converted to the bytecode, and which can be run any platform which has a Java virtual machine. Java is a interpreted language, which means the Java code compile and run simultaneously. The Java is widely distributed due to its platform independent nature. Next part is Python. Python is an interpreted object-oriented language which was released in 1991. It was developed by Python Software Foundation and designed by the Guidon Rozum. It is dynamically typed. That's you need to not declare in the type of the variable and before the initialize. The Python is comes to the with the verify the library and which is the very trade to for machine language and the data science. Python server has scripting language. It framework like Django, Paradigm, Pyramid, etc. It's useful in mostly of the Django and help in the design of maintenance server applications. The libraries such NumPy, CPy allows the Python and we used to the scientific the computing. The libraries like next is the features of the Python. Python features. The Python is easy of the type in language. It has got easy syntax and require literally nodally of the OOPS. Its main object on programming to be learned and it also the dynamically type. Therefore, you know to define type of the variable. One of the most striking features of Python is a free and open source language. It high level language and that is the human readable and human understandable. It is the object oriented language Python as follows the object oriented paradigm making making its a program and to be the written as to increases and the readability of the code. It interpreted language. Python is the compile and the executing simultaneously line by line and throw up the errors on encounters one. That's all. Thank you.